Got these for like what, $17? They last like around 3 hours. Pretty good. These are the same brand. On. Pretty good. I'm not gonna open it because then it stops my phone. But it's unboxes. Haven't opened it yet. Everything's still closed. I needed a cheap one. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So when I got this. Second generation. Walmart ebooks. Tablet. We have a USB-C. Is there anything else in here? Nope. That's it. Now I've had a fire stick, but I don't know. Let's see if this has any power on there. The SD card goes up here. Earplugs, mic, front. I think the camera is 2.0, same with the back. I really only got this for reading. I do read here and there, so wanted something a little more bigger than my cell phone. Maybe watch a movie here and there when I'm in my bed. Let that, I'll leave that alone, but SD card. I'm not gonna take that off. Volume, power, reset. Just gonna have to leave that alone for a little bit. Now these, you could buy them at Walmart too. They're basically AirPods. I'm not gonna open them because I did earlier and it stopped the video. These are basically almost like AirPods, except for these parts, this little area right here. That you could tell the difference. But they look like AirPods. Pretty good. Only lasts like 3 hours, I guess, while playing music. So it's pretty good. Nothing big or anything. Okay. I'll get the case later. Now give me a second. I'm not gonna show this part. I'm just gonna take this off. It's annoying. Not that loud. So it's not loud, but that's not the reason I got it. So the main thing I got it for was a course for reading, not for anything else. Okay, where is that part? I have already some books in here. Oh, I like it overall. Something small. Has that Walmart app already, and Voodoo and Sam Club. Pretty nice. Well, till next time. Peace out.